Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Monday motivation tip. Okay, today I'm going to show you how we can make some quick changes to lots of items all in one go. So to do this, we're going to go down here to the checkboxes, and from selecting a couple from this group and maybe one from here, let's say we want to change all of these priorities to medium. We can now do that really easily. So once you hover over one of these columns, you can see it's highlighting all three of these items. So all I have to do is make that change once, and there you go. Now you can see it's been changed to medium. The other thing to notice here is we now have this menu. Once you've selected a few items, this bulk edit menu gives you a few more options for some actions you can do. There you go. That's your quick tip for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.